So student, today I am going to start your new chapter, biotechnology and its applications. Okay. So in the previous chapter already we had discussed about the how we can produce any substance, means substance like biopharmaceuticals or biological substances in large scale with the help of biotechnology. Okay, so with the help of modification in genome we can develop, or we can develop different kind of things, like the development of these different kind of things is only known as the application of biotechnology, like in therapeutics बेटा दवाइयाँ बनाने के लिए, ओके, डायग्नोस करने के लिए, बीमारी को पहचानने के लिए, जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड क्रॉप्स फॉर एग्रीकल्चर, दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, जीएम क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन, ओके, प्रोसेस्ड फूड, बायो रिमीडिएशन और वेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट or energy production. These are the several areas by where we can use biotechnology. Okay, so what are the different research areas which are associated with biotechnology is of we can improve different kind of microorganism, and by them only we can synthesize pure enzymes. This is the best on first research area for biotechnology. Okay, second is creating optimal conditions for genetic engineering as a catalyst to act. If you are providing proper environmental condition, then only these modified bacteria or microbe can grow. Next, if you grow a modified microbe in a large scale, that time only by downstream processing you can purify your protein or organic compound. These are the three steps by which we are able to get a large production of things by biotechnology method. Okay, I hope these things are clear, because in previous chapter also we had discussed it already. So firstly we will discuss about in this chapter about biological application in agriculture. If you observe in on your screen, I shared one thing, it is known as green revolution. Children, green revolution is a major milestone of agricultural field. Okay, green revolution is very important thing. In green revolution, Mr. Swaminathan is related, or in world, Norman Borlaug, known as the father of green revolution, or in India, MS Swaminathan, known as the father of green revolution. What they did? Okay, they improved our crop varieties by the help of triploidy or polyploidy method. Polyploidy method means, beta, if number of chromosomes will increase, the set of chromosome will increase. Tripling of food, or means, are you getting my point? If the number of chromosome will increase, if you modify the genome of particular crop, then only you can get a higher yield of that particular cropping, because population is increasing day by day. Or that time, if we are not able to grow more and more crop, how we will fulfill the hunger of people? Okay, so for this purpose only this green revolution worked at the milestone in this field. So we use different kind of plants, bacteria, fungus, animals, okay, for the manipulation of the gene. Clear? And this manipulation of gene is only known as the GMO organism, means genetically modified organism. बेटा हम plant को भी genetically modify कर सकते हैं, bacteria, fungus, animals, in all, but everything is having limit. Are you getting my point? This limit is very important for, especially for animals, because ethically these are not so good in aspect of animals. Are you getting my point? So genetical modification is good, but excessive of it is not good. Okay, so what is genetic modification? Genetic modification means that in which way it is very useful for us. First is made crops more tolerant to abiotic stresses. Okay, those crops are genetically GMO crops. Especially I am just telling you the characteristic of GMO crops. GMO crops are abiotic stress resistance, means they can tolerate high cold, drought, salt, heat. So ऐसे crops जो जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाई हैं वो हाइयर टेम्परेचर कंडीशन में भी सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं, लो में भी, सॉल्टी में भी, हीट में भी. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज रिड्यूस रिलायंस ऑन केमिकल पेस्टिसाइड, मीन दैट we can control use of pesticide because we are making pest resistant crop. हम ऐसी क्रॉप बना सकते हैं GMO से जिनमें कोई पेस्ट ना लगे. ओके, इट help to reduce post harvest losses. You know very well, after harvesting also a huge amount of crops or yield gets to be damaged. So with GMO method we can help to reduce post harvest losses as we can observe it. Favor saver tomato. Okay, favor saver tomato is a GMO tomato that we can keep this tomato for a longer time. So like this many varieties are there. Next is increased efficiency of mineral uses of by plants. Mean more and more plant can absorb minerals, means they are so healthy. GMO crops are so healthy. Enhanced nutritional value of food like vitamin A. About golden rice, if I am giving you example of golden rice, in golden rice vitamin A is present. Actually vitamin A is not present. Vitamin A containing thing means keratin is present in this golden rice. तो ये golden rice उनको दिया जाता है जिनमें vitamin A की कमी है. Okay, so such type of things we can get by genetically modified organism. Okay, I hope this much